Hey guys, old school custom Raj here. Well, I guess you can consider this mishap video for the 32 Ford trunk lid. Well, ran into problems when I painted the trunk lid. It came out good, but had a lot of little pits on it. So I used red putty, but supposedly the red putty didn't fill it all the way in, so I had to go back and redo it again. I already had primered it and everything. I thought it was gonna come out good, but apparently that's what happens when it comes to hot rodding. You can see the trunk lid right there. Yeah, so I had issues with the paint. Didn't come out good. I wasn't happy about it. So I had to go buy some, went to a local paint shop. It's kind of hot out here, sunny. And I had to go buy some black primer sealer. And on it, see right here, this was ready to go. You don't have to worry about adding any activator or anything like that, or reduce. I can't even spit out the words. You don't have to reduce the paint, okay, or thin it out. Let's put it that way. So this was ready to go. Just put on your spray gun. That's my Old Faithful. That thing, I've had it for years and it still keeps doing its job. Either way, yeah, the paint didn't come out too good, but this time came out badass. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Look at that. So this thing came out way better than what it did before. It's just the guy, he wanted just like a hot rod black, so I just used like a primer black sealer so it won't rust on him or anything like that. So he already decided he wants to paint the car. That's ready to go, man. You can always sand it down, add another coat of primer sealer. It don't matter. I think I put like about a good 5-6 coats, so it's pretty thick. And then underneath that other primer that I use, that was the problem too. The primer I use was the same primer that we used for my dad's truck, but you're talking about maybe 2, 3, 4 years ago. Nah, I take that back. I'm going too far. I'm talking about maybe like about a good 2 years ago. So I'm guessing maybe with the heat and all that stuff, with the paint being inside the storage room, and it's pretty hot out here in Texas, so I think the paint got maybe messed up. It started throwing threw a lot of spits all over, like in the middle. You can see like it looked kind of like a itchy scratch, you know. And then over here was smooth and that side, and I was like, nah, man. I mean, we could have sanded it down, and if you wanted to paint the trunk lid like a color, then yeah, you could get away with that. But when you want it like to look like a nice primer, or even a hot rod black, this is what you want. You want that smoothness. So I finally got what I wanted, and hopefully this guy, my buddy, he's happy with it. I know I'm happy with it because it looks freaking badass. I like it. So we just gotta let it dry, and I'll probably have to put it somewhere where it won't get messed up, because I don't want anything to fall in. There's like little stuff falling on it, but this stuff is already dry anyway, so it wouldn't matter. But I won't leave it here too long. I'll probably put it somewhere so it won't get all messed up. But like I said, that's what happens, guys. Sometimes you gotta go back and correct the problem. And sometimes, I know most of us hot rodders want to get the stuff done, and I'm one of those persons where sometimes I get impatient. But like my girl says, go back at it, keep going till you get it right. And I finally got it right. So I'm happy with it, and hopefully my buddy's happy with it, because I think it looks good. It looks way better than what it did. I'll probably see if I have any pictures the way it looked. I'll put it in the video, and then before and after. Yeah, I think I'll put a before and after on this video. So just lesson learned. Take your time, patience, and it'll come out good. And don't use no spray cans from damn Walmart. That crap don't work. And that's what happened. That's what got me into this issue here, using those spray cans. Hell no, just go buy some automotive paint to save you money. Do it the right way, and it'll come out good, just like that. Just patience. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe too if you haven't. And thanks for the people who like watching this channel. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Take care. And keep on hot rodding, man. Laters.